My name is Daniel Vaswani, and I'm the lead attorney at Virtuoso Criminal and DUI Lawyers.
There are 3 ways to pick up a felony DUI. Number 1, you have a prior felony DUI conviction. Number 2, you have 3 prior misdemeanor DUI convictions within 10 years of this DUI. The 3rd way is if you pick up a DUI causing injury. A DUI causing injury can be very, very serious. If you have a DUI causing injury where somebody was badly injured or they experienced what we call great bodily injury, this offense can be charged as a felony strike offense. At this point, it's extremely serious. There is a possibility that you see an actual prison sentence, not county jail. The bare minimum that you will see on a felony DUI is 180 days county jail. But if you see a prison sentence, it can be 16 months, 2 years, 3 years, and in some situations more. And that is actually in-state prison. That's just the incarceration component associated with a felony DUI. You will also be subject to sort of standard terms. If you get a county jail grant and probation, in that situation, probably placed on 5 years of formal probation. You have a formal probation officer that you have to report to. They will require regular routine screening for alcohol and drugs. They will ensure that you maintain and seek full-time employment. And on top of that as well, they prohibit you from going to certain places, and you must often regularly check in with your probation officer. There's also a DUI school component. It can be 18 months or 30 months. On top of that, you're still subject to the alcohol terms. You can't drive unless properly licensed and insured. You have to submit to a chemical test when asked by a peace officer. You cannot drive with any measured amount of alcohol. You will often be required to abstain from the use of alcohol and not frequent places where alcohol is the principal item of sale. The DMV will often suspend your license for a period of 4 years, and you'll be required to install a breathalyzer in your vehicle when you obtain your driving privilege again, and keep it installed in your vehicle for 3 years. On top of that, a DUI is a 2-point offense. Keep in mind, if you pick up 4 points in 1 year, 6 points in 2 years, or 8 points in 3 years, the DMV will take your license again for a period of 1 additional consecutive year. You will be deemed a negligent operator. If you have a DUI causing injury on a 4th DUI, the DMV will take your license for a period of 4 years, and you may be required to keep the ignition and lock device in your vehicle for a period of 3 years. If you have questions about this, please call at 8336-NO-JAIL.